How to get $100 Dunkin Donuts promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Dunkin Donuts promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can scroll down and check out any of the website. For instance, I will be opening this one, Coupon Follow. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of deals and offers. You can just scroll and check out. Dunkin' Donuts is known for its signature coffee blends and a wide variety of donut flavors and styles. Originally, the company primarily sold donuts, but it has since expanded its menu to include coffee, sandwiches, bagels, and other baked foods. The company has also focused on rebranding efforts, shortening its name to Dunkin' to emphasize its broader menu beyond just donuts. Now to get discount on Dunkin' Donuts, you can use these codes. If you're interested in any of the offer, click on the option of See Details. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code. Now you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Dunkin' Donut, log into your account, and whenever you check out, apply this coupon code. Also, you can check out other websites. In these websites as well, you're gonna find great deals and offers. So this is how you can get $100 Dunkin' Donuts promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.